Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove a person from an photo, or you guys can also remove the object or things in the photo using Snapseed application. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to just simply open up the Snapseed application. So after opening up Snapseed application, here you guys have to just simply import the photo in which you want to remove the person. So I have imported a photo in which I want to remove this person. So in order to remove, you guys have to just simply click on the tools section below, and here you guys have to just simply click on the double exposure option, and here you guys have to just simply click on the add photo icon, and here you guys have to just simply again upload the same photo again. So after uploading the same photo again, now you guys have to simply drag the above photo until it makes 2%. Now you guys can be able to see it makes 2%. Now you guys have to simply go to this opacity section and make it full 100. Now you guys have to simply click on the tick section below. Now here you guys have to simply go to the above undo option, and here you guys have to simply click on the view edit section. You guys have to simply click on double exposure and click on the pen brush icon, and here you guys have to simply apply the mask over the object. So after applying the mask over the object, and click on the tick to continue, and here you guys will be able to see our object has been removed from the image. In order to make accurate edits, you guys have to simply make it carefully selection, and don't forget to make the exposure to 0, and in this way you guys can change, or you guys can remove the object from the person very easily using Snapseed. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.